Garmin Venu X1 unboxing and review, 2-inch display, 8-day battery, and more. The Garmin Venu X1 has officially landed in the Philippines, boasting an impressive 2-inch display, and 8-day battery life, and a retail price of PHP 47,990. This smartwatch is not just another gadget. It represents a significant leap in wearable technology, combining functionality with style. Imagine having a smartwatch that not only looks sleek, but also features a large screen, a microphone, and a built-in speaker for making calls. The Garmin Venu X1 is designed to meet the needs of modern users who value both aesthetics and performance. A game-changer in smartwatch design, Garmin has unveiled the Venu X1, which stands out with the largest display ever seen on a Garmin smartwatch, all while maintaining an ultra-slim profile. At just 8 millimeters thick, this watch is a marvel of engineering. Susan Lyman, Garmin's Vice President of Consumer Sales and Marketing, emphasizes the watch's capabilities. Not only does it pack all of Garmin's most popular features into a slim profile, but the large display makes it easy to see everything from preloaded maps and workout stats to health insights and smart notifications with stunning clarity. This means that whether you're checking your fitness stats or navigating through maps, everything is crystal clear. The Venu X1 features a vibrant 2-inch AMOLED display, which enhances readability and makes it easier to view maps and data at a glance. The watch is crafted with a lightweight titanium caseback and a scratch-resistant sapphire lens, ensuring durability alongside its stylish rectangular design with rounded corners. Packed with features for the active lifestyle, this smartwatch is not just about looks. It comes loaded with features that cater to an active lifestyle. With an impressive 8-day battery life in smartwatch mode, users can rely on it for extended periods without frequent recharging. Additionally, it includes an LED flashlight, a built-in speaker and microphone for hands-free calls, and a voice assistant that can respond to text messages. You can even use voice commands to start activities or set timers directly from your wrist, making it incredibly convenient. Customization is key with the Venu X1. Users can personalize the built-in watch faces to display the data that matters most to them, and with various font sizes available, it's easy to adjust the display to suit individual preferences. Compatibility is another strong point. The Venu X1 works seamlessly with both iPhones and Android devices, especially when paired with the Garmin app. It also supports multiple activity profiles and offers tailored workout and training plans, making it a versatile companion for fitness enthusiasts. Pricing and where to buy. The Garmin Venu X1 is priced at PHP 47,990 and is available in 2 stylish colors, black and moss. You can find it at all Garmin brand stores and online through official Garmin channels on platforms like Kinetic, Shopee, and Lazada. So, what are your thoughts on the Garmin Venu X1? Do you think this smartwatch is worth the investment? Or do you believe there are better options out there? Share your opinions in the comments below. Let's discuss.